Hi guys. Hey, I got a final on my first gen Camaro 67 to 69 group build entry. It's finally done and pretty happy with the way it turned out. Just want to do something different. The white interior, the green body kind of thing, just something different. Love the pipes on it. Really glad that they did decals with the Camaro and the Z28 and stuff. That was really cool. The underside, pretty decent. Like I said, I'm glad it turned out the way it did. The hood is a little finicky because it's a tight fit. But hey, better than having one that just falls the hell off. And why it's a tight fit is because it's got hinges on it. So I gotta hold it up, but got the K&N air filter oil, red, maroon, magenta looking thing going on. Come on. I don't like the hood hinge deal. I should have just left that out of there, but oh well. But I got that all done. Turbocharger, that kind of thing. It's kind of neat how it all turned out. So yeah, like I said, man, pretty happy with it. Like the stripes. I got white paint, so I was going to do the headliner white, thinking white interior. I know it had the black carpet and the black dash pad and the black package tray, being a Camaro with white interior. But then I got to look, and I'm glad I went and looked on a couple of videos because they had black headliner. I was like, man, okay, well, I'm glad I checked that before I went ahead and started painting the headliner. But yeah, like I said, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. That's the only way I'll ever own a 69. So figure, well, hey, what the hell? Had some fun with it. And really want to thank Vinny for the idea over there for putting the 67 through 69 first gen Camaro group build together. He's at Pit Stop Scale Model Garage. I'll leave a link to his channel in there and check him out. He's a cool dude. So, all right, guys. Well, here we are at the end of another one. So, I want to say thanks for watching and stay tuned for more fun stuff to come. Take care. Thanks.